What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I got some free CPA marketing training for you guys here, and this one's going to be on how you guys can make more money from your current CPA campaigns. So what a lot of CPA marketers are doing is the 1-2-3 method, right? And don't get me wrong, the 1-2-3 method is amazing, but you guys can make a lot more money with your landing page, right? So the 1-2-3 method is your traffic source, landing page, offer. All right. So what happens, let's say if someone sees your offer on Facebook, right? Then they go to your landing page, and then from your landing page, they click through and they go to the offer. So let's say they complete or they don't complete, it really doesn't matter. Then they come back to this page right here. They just exit out. All right. Your landing page is pretty much over with. It's done. You could use that to make, more money. So let's say this person didn't convert, or they did convert, then they come back to the page, you got an offer here, and then they convert again, or they don't convert. Basically, you get yourself two chances for someone to convert versus just only having one chance of them converting. All right. You can also do your email follow-up series, whatnot. I'm not going to touch base on this one. Because I made several videos on this one, on this whole method right here. Not to mention, a lot of people these days don't like to do email marketing because it takes a while to set up the stuff. You got to make your own swipes. You got to set everything up. You got to do a lot of stuff. You got to do a lot of testing. Like I said, a lot of people just don't want to do it because it's a lot of work. But this right here, just simply adding an ad to your page can literally make you thousands upon thousands of dollars. Easy, $100 plus a day, depending on your current campaign that you're running. Now, if you're running a bigger campaign, this can literally be thousands of dollars extra coming in every single month just by simply having another ad on the page. But I can guarantee if you don't have anything on the page, you aren't going to make a goddamn thing. All right, so it's better to have the this ad here so that way they can make so you can make more money or have the option or potential to make more money versus just simply not having it there at all because you don't think it's going to work. But let's jump right into this here, show you actually how to do this. So I'm using WordPress. You guys can use whatever website that you want. And we're on the teamdeangelo.net site just to make an example here or whatnot. So go to the plugins, click add new, then just type in header. It's going to be the second one, insert headers and footers. Right. Then once you install it and activate it, you go to your settings, and it's going to be at the bottom, insert headers and footers, and then this is where you're going to be pasting in your code. Now, you guys can use your own notification site or whatever site you want to use. I'm using Vimium as an example here. So you're going to go over to your dashboard, click install script, and then this script right here is just going to be the one that you copy and paste it right here. Now you can just go and type this in. Put this in directly into in the settings and all that over in WordPress. But I just like using the little plugin here. Super simple. Takes a few seconds, and I know for a fact it's going to be done right. And I don't have to go through and look through all the code or the little things that's be on the sides or whatnot. I can just go boom, paste that in here, click save, and I'm done. Now once you do that, you're literally done. Anything you do over here, that's what's going to affect the current website. All right, then you can click check activity and it'll pop up right there if everything's all good. But if you do it the exact way I just said it, you should be perfectly fine. Now, again, this is just an example here. We are going to come over here, all right, and click edit. Now, this is just, again, an example. Gotta keep saying that because I don't want you guys thinking this is like something I'm actually going to have on the website. This is just an example here, all right. Now, you guys can do, it really depends on what you're running on your website, because obviously you can do this with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, product, drop shipping, whatever, right? But for this example here, what we're going to be doing is the informational one, because that's one we can have it where you can create a link where they can click it. So then you have your coupons, your live counter. You guys can see you can collect emails, the whole 9 yards, right? All that fun stuff. So we're just going to use the informational one there and click create. Then from here, let's say we are doing this sample offer, right? Let's just copy the URL for that real quick. And we're just going to come back over here. Free samples. Click here, all right? And then I'm not going to change all this other stuff because, again, this is just an example. Then notification URL. What you're going to have is you're going to put that right there. So this will be your CPA offer link. Then we're just going to click update. Now, for me, again, this is just an example, so I have it set to it's like on all the pages. But for you guys, we're going to come down, click triggers, and then you're going to go and type in the URL here. So you're going to turn off for all pages unless you're using this entire like website just for this, or let's say it's a website where it's running all the same offer, or you want to promote that offer to all your CPA offer landing pages. All right. So yeah, anyway, basically putting your landing page, whole full URL right here, click add trigger, you're going to be good to go. And display, I would put that depending on what you're promoting. Let's say you're doing it for like a native type of advertising, then I would probably have it set to like 45 seconds, a minute or so, because most people who do native advertising and whatnot, they have it like in a news format type of thing. So people actually go through and actually read the damn article or whatnot, or whatever it is they're promoting. So I'll put that up there like 45 seconds in, or maybe 2 or 3 minutes, depending on how long the article is. Basically, you just want to go by how much time you think the person can get through and basically click through and get to the CPA offer that you currently have, and then come back to the page, and then that offer is sitting right there waiting for them, because you don't want them to see that offer first, right? So that whatever the free sample one, we don't want them to see this offer first. We want them to see this offer second, because we don't want them to click this offer and then not click the other offer, all right? Because this is our one, whatever. This is just extra, all right? So you can set this to, -1 for forever. It would just display forever. Like every time somebody click on it, boom, it's right there. All right. Or again, you can set it to whatever you want, 60 seconds or whatever. Right. Then you can also do the position of it. So you can have it like right in the middle. You can have it in the top left, top right. You guys can see, obviously, you can have all that stuff right there. But we're just going to leave it as it is for right now. Then we are going to turn it on. Click update, come back over here, refresh the page. Then in 5 seconds or so, it should show up right here. Boom. Then we click it. And as you can see, opened up in a brand new page. And boom, right there, there's the offer. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Very simple stuff, guys. Like, can't make it any easier than that. We just went through, showed you guys. Again, this is a very, very, very simple method, but it's just so easy to make money with this. Like, you can literally make a couple extra thousand. It really just depends on your offer. I'm gonna make that very clear. It depends on your CPA campaign, I should say. It all depends 100% on your campaign that you're already doing. So if you have thousands of people going to your offer right now, then obviously you're going to have a potential of thousands of people seeing this ad here and going through and clicking it and all that stuff. But if you have no traffic or anything along those lines right now, obviously just doing this isn't going to do anything. This is for people who already have a CPA campaign up. They're already, running ads, and running traffic or whatever. Basically, you have to have a campaign to do this already. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Very simple stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Again, very simple stuff here. You can do this with, I want to say just about any site. Any site that will let you put this code in here. You should be pretty much fine. Just put it in the header and you should be good to go. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.